eti penifo bu be say enyu obi na kumantwi boss yakon ena bi ti ekwaje a kire we say John Mahama na so ya shepa oh so community Twene Jonas ene Ghana phone bi ege kon ajo de kire na after say Ghana Blasters World Cup ayeko ya nkoduru ba bia no obu butan so eye day ala Ghana Blasters no ono no ya president no ya ntima nkobo bra bia o ma be refer to nsimo kind of position enu da be gina so abayi komadwen e de a kire no aha Penyah block media mesra say ni di mu obe like video na da ba subscribe button some back the notification icon of latest update some back wa dwe da mame e wo comment section oba so no share first enya bia hwe ne be kan phone na money send up e de amount wo USA wo UK so person send ska e de be fie Ghana let's ka de be duro asomdwe mu on pese wo bete on penten kwa bia wo da mu asomdwo let's ka de duro fie asomdwe mu aye nala app na to no session obi ayisu from pro code Penyah TV send ska no be charge $20 for free in fact omo transaction aye very smooth o send it ya let's connect to Ghana emuna no omo asachel $20 for free. Now let's go to the story. Ebusia onim say Ghana had a Friday be decentralization of powers and esa was separation of powers whereby all these arms of government, you know, any agency in this country, you know, obia ewo power, obia ye semi autonomous body, but they are president any overall boss, but ubemwa obia edene ho yewa adiwe ewa Ghana hanum aye say yefa ekuo bi nesenka omu emode mo no enso ani a ewo senka pempanimfo a omu di that ekuo nanim because oman na fam etua moka enti wo senka pempanimfo no mu da that ekuo na no omu ene from busom caution say adentina niema we ntine aye tua moka no still yenya so mfaso bia na ko omu akire emu aye say ebi ni GFA Ghana Football Association yewo president ewo ho Kurt Okraku azenka bibi nkoso ye ewo Blasters team ni mu ho no mo a omode mo no enso ani oman ye bo Blasters no ho ka na enso enya mfaso die bia wo mo so a ewo se etimi question Kurt Okraku mo ene ni GFA association nyina but Mahama ewo fie no omehu se betimi bia ye politics Mahama wo position no omehu se obetimi de bia aye politics ewo Ghana hadamo Mahama the Ghana Blasters politics 2024 ye ball Africa Cup of Nations qualifies Ghana yet man qualify Emma Mahama the be ye politics Belastia Kufado, Bekate Kufado Memo Bonnie no just say Africa Cup crown Ghana for the first time and man qualify and Kobe. I was able to say Kufado Memo Bonnie no Ghana Blasters crown yentimi share go.
Bibia I say, Osha your sports are say, share Black Stars. I feel Black Stars almost to me share goal biom. Nyoma say Black Stars umpo akoka Black Stars. Black Stars na Africa ha obiebu ye no. Yeni Nigeria mpo koboa no musuru. And that year, Africa Cup of Nations, 20 years ni. Afibia, you more qualified, you call African Cup of Nations. Afibia, you hear from Sudan mpo a ɛyɛ ɔman a mene wo ka sɛ ntɔkwa gyina hɔ dendenden Sudan ɛkɔ Africa Cup ama Ghana aniwase akan
Just say Mahama at the Ghana Blasters. Omo abysmal performance that time no, or the Bayer politics and the blame go for the government.
We just came from the African Cup of Nations and we performed abysmally, disastrously. And we performed abysmally because we are not growing our football. We are not, before we used to have the Colts, and every district used to organize its Colts League. And they picked the promising players from there. We used to have the academicals. The schools used to play against each other. And we picked the promising players from there. Before we come to under 17 and then all the other age groups. Unfortunately, all that has collapsed. And so we're going to work with the Football Association to start catching them young from when they are young so that we can train them and give them to local teams. They will play, get experience before, if they even want to travel abroad, they can travel. But we will build the new Black Stars based on homegrown players, domestic players who have trained together for a long time and work as a team. And then we'll bring the foreign ones to come and blend with them. If you bring only foreign players, they don't play together, they play in their individual teams. And then when it's time for competition, you bring them and come and tell them to play. It won't work. The core of the Black Stars must be made by domestic players who have played together for a long time. We'll keep camping them and they keep practicing together. And then when we are going for a competition, we can bring some of the foreign players to join the domestic players, and you'll see that we'll have a better team. And so we're going to overhaul Ghana football in collaboration with the Ghana Football Association. And all the football associations from the district up, you are going to be busy because we'll send you resources so that you can hold football galas in your districts and you identify the players for us. And when you identify the players, we will give them scholarships, we'll send them to secondary school, we'll watch them as they grow and they play, and eventually they'll end up in the national teams. And so we'll do all this in collaboration with the Ghana Football Association. And then, Boko West, you say you've been left out. AstroTurfs have been distributed, you haven't got your share. You can be sure that when NDC comes, you will get your AstroTurf.
As a Yakufa the Teso, no better than a Busumbi, AC Ghana Blasters team. So, Anna, ordinary no man, Abeka team, no, Anna Omunti mean shego. Emma, this conversation, no, NDC phone journey the trend. Emmy a trouble Mahama Erin 2025 at Kunyasano. Or said in Como, F Ghana Blasters home, betray mu, say, oh, but what banner Ghana Blasters, or you say a bay, just say he has brought fortune to the team. Mahama can send baby ana e wo for the Ghana Blasters team no ho. Emma yes e ba ye African team no ba ko ekosi akan. Emma Ghana e ko share that team na that dey easy. Mahama no monyam media answer be bia Mahama just say any funny praising Mahama say ono no ba ye ana Ghana Blasters afa ne ntoma pa afira. O ma me nya aso Ghana ha no. Abra no say kede no monyam no. Emma boys no mujina park no so board yesu omunkunan ebo ma was oh why ya de no na ya de ya je no nyam na firi omu nsem e de ma president of the day Emma no be aka say Mahama bayan de Ghana Blasters team ayeye afa ne ntoma pa e de afira it enema ebe koso tote na busia 2016 World Cup already na 2024 MPP government e de kan dey qualify for FIFA World Cup na ya twen 2026 ebeba na say nyina ye beko cause na MPP government e de kan dey qualify dada and say ye twen emu ananansia de ko hyehye so na wusia o Ghana ne Panama ye ko hye ko we ne ba na say amanfo Mahama baso he ema nana ya agent okra be ye video praise Mahama say Mahama mamuo na adwuma so ani ntino ana Ghana Blasters yetuma kwahye Panama je say ye bobo Mahama baso ema ye ne England ye ko draw still yes abo Mahama baso say o buy Blasters ayeye
jama ntidi ai jama Mahama nie Blasters nie
But then Mahama home.
I found who say good leadership. Imle bidie ni ehu ye. Ede de see ye. Ene de ye hu papa. Ah, ede de see ye. Against for.
I found into a pefla England into Manchester ye. Ala Croatia kwache 2-1. Croatia ko twa 2-1 na say Nkwaseafuo start e ba from na fiaman for say both defense o munyai MB for munyai motiso kura no de see ye mutimi duro hene mutimi ko hene mutimi yese mutimi fa hene ensem hunu sa ana tournament in Ghana ye free bu Colombia kwache ahye 2-1 am ye free tournament na you know Kevin Taylor no onuam be ka se unya mampanyina onimu nyansa mampanyina onim de wo ye ebetena Ghana mine so a Blasters efa ne ntoma pefra ombobo bi a omutimi wene ombobo a omutimi ehye eko manim
no ye nyina ye musa Black Stars no aban papa ba na president papa ba na nyansafo be di Ghana so a Black Stars for no omutimi ye makomo ebobo na ejimifo ne die so entina na Black Stars ni ntumi hye no wedwa politics ne ye no ai so unya president onim nyansa unya aban a omunim nyansa na mun ndi omo ya ema Black Stars so gina na so boys ne ye committed omu respect president de momo ene omane de momo unya Nkwaseafuo de se MPP fo di wuso a Black Star kra ntumi hye ende Black Star bogum 5 wa ha no bogum 3 wa ha no bogum 8 wa ha ai because enyansafo aba Nkwaseafuo bi nti ye di arewo saa bedru ha nde ejimifo bi nti bibia mo de politics inwanma bi nti na Black Stars to be hye na eblemu nkofo nanso na eye kesa eda MPP so kesa na eda MPP fo amunim nyansa so and na Black Stars to be hye until you can say Black Star is NDC. It's very very true. Every single player or Black Star be or NDC ni ai it's NDC kwa na masako for MPP players aba we man na ebo no until you cannot tell me say we mom NDC for these are players who needed respect and support from a government. That's all that they needed. These are professional players. They are making their decent money. They don't need you to come to let them feel that they are kids or they are some hungry birds who are walking around. They need that respect from a government and people in power. Time na MPP was no na omu boys we nim tia di o matem omu hu omu say bi boys we omu nya galamsey nti omu respect omu. The NPP only respect galamseyers. That is why time na MPP was no na Black Stars into share. Black Stars nya minye bido onyi mu nya moda
ene si ano Ghana Blasters your last 2 games boy Croatia ahye Colombia's ahye ama tournament ni afrim na eno ana Twene Jonas any journalist ni bi ebu se Mahama say so Mahama now no why na emphasize go no emo no should we blame you and I say blame why na omu akekwa bi eda chejo Mahama
John Mahama we so beba bedi ma me we kana pampa mu beba bedi wa ho atema na because Ghana Blasters are lose o ma ba fie Akufo-Addo time osi Akufo-Addo ya ban born intina Blasters intimi hye enti we so wa ban no we ya ban born ana John Mahama kachi we ye de ba de we ya ban born ana Nkwaseafuo bibia mu ye the politics won say so wa ban kan Blasters oma lusu ah John Mahama brana be di wa ho atem
and it is sad Mahusa nkofo blame coach no and a coach no I say coach no he was not of himself coach no need who Sansubai no Ghana Football Association president ka hon ketokreku and the executive committee one mo ya frunti one prema coach ya de adwuma no ahye ne nsa one ya na adwuma no and de abeduru enei ene dia bedru ha some good details and command course so young wada no ebe fiada after even coach ni kura why any selection awie a friend kukuam we say o didn't sing now do we start we so start So on the field of play, who's a boys, you know, there was nothing at stake. No sense of urgency, no determination. Say one more kwaba no. Yakupon pon na ye yadom. Again, say come out here no Colombia for boy no. Kwata nka ba goals ba 9 there. Kesi edi. Na me na ye yadom. Tactics are coach, you know, what they ball against Panama, what they ball against your friend is saying England. Ball boys and the ball against England, you know. Saudi Tutunia yeah against Colombia, yeah. Now besides say now boys you know other. One the ball, you need England for the boy. One thing, yeah, in England for the boy. Now we send you Colombia, yeah. There are a lot of questions. And it's a coach who didn't do to win. Me coach in the resignation in the Ayamia. Now, I'm just on one so one is because coach be in Honoma say, you're the team sending, sir. Yamma quite on your Juma, not such a Juma and Mekosway, then Mekosway. Yeah, but World Cup, Ghana and Libya now, so that I say, group stage in the Ukraine, then you bet me a free. You bet me a free group stage. I could PM round of 32. It's in Ghana. Now, the Black Stars, Mama Ghana, Fosugu, Amuyamsa, and I no cry, Yampa baby crying day, not Yana. I mean, football, the Black Stars especially. And linking it to the performance of a current government. And I know so when America wants to mean linking the performance of the Black Stars to the performance of a current government. Oh, Black Stars in the sunny ayano, Sana buying so or so is that the way to go? Are there any lessons we can learn?
Well, under normal circumstances, you know, our linkage, you know. Who knew for sure? And under normal circumstances, no, and so time case in Quebec. But the reason why that case is there is over the years, the politicians have decided to say the Black Stars never politics. I am partisan. You know, the Black Stars I can wake up, we go say, you know, say, I know you one. Because Ghana, I don't know. The BI and the vote. The BR, I saw them correction crowd, the vote. And see, you're in very existence, you know, about voting. Politicians, FDF, or my money, Hodomo. And see, kind of normal circumstances can follow. But one would walk with you. Some kind, the popular interview, Honorable Yamin, Joseph Yamin, yeah. Started was so you say NBC the data co-work up now I 2-1 against NPP. And that I don't know what anymore. And parties no me and for me I'm not looking at it with any political lens. I'm looking at it as a Ghanaian. Parties in me they almost take advantage of their work up qualification. And they satisfy almost full soldiers and I say almost members.
Yes.
And you know, the wake up need to show. You know, no more get our money at it. Now say, who can hold the next hour? Say, you are bound. You know, Jack home.
No correct.
And you and can the normal circumstances, no, and can you warm up them? Can we look at purely Ghana Football Association as them? But and now we say, state, you know, our fiducial responsibility over the national team. Say, and your own statutory obligation. All the national teams, as I say, your born mine who your born national teams know who I say the basic academy, the basic academy, yes, you're interested in whatever goes in there, especially the best advantage. I achieve a political a business and I say a political agenda there. Of course, then as I say, you're taking interest in it, and that is what has been happening over the years, and and also so no AD now because for instance your Nkwaseafuo one in charge of your football at the FA level. Oh yeah, the abandon there. And I'm not talking about even today or yesterday. I'm talking about many times. Yeah, the abandon Nkwaseafuo, you know.
Now, our World Cup, it should also send a very clear signal to politicians. Yeah, some know about you can't send it now. So what position? So what bemo? Adiba kwa anyone see Adiba politics. Aye Black Stars. Ombegu ani masi. Tia mi pa. So what position? Now the Black Stars here campaign. So, in fact, when I listen to the then candidate, John Dramani Mahama, now His Excellency, so man penny, so say Black Stars for go any masie. Black Stars for man says from. It is a see I am can sign. Yay, see the Black Stars for performance. Yade toto abanya djuma wo ye ho a sania yade toto ho na nado danko akufo do apen so I conclude you say because of the incompetence of Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo it's that Black Stars started to pansami. Okay, fair enough. It's based on the performance of Black Stars our World Cup here say yade toto ho a how do we measure the performance of this current government? Can we also conclude that this government is incompetent? If we said the same when Nanado was president, the incompetence of Nanado has affected the performance of the Black Stars. Okay. So then, what do we say? See, the BBA by politics are not for football and your politics. So we are commissioning so now be the army or you back ku kwenta ma wadi awie now we using what the ashan come say Black Stars be finals. I had a prophet prophesying that the Black Stars are going to reach the finals. I laughed. Anyway, there are a whole lot of lessons that we can derive.
Ubeta chere wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.